Hi everyone, welcome to my creative studio, Sergeant Flickers. Today is April the 29th and I am announcing the winner for the wax melt kit contest. And the winner is Amber and Brooklyn. Thank you guys for sharing so many videos on your YouTube. Thank you very much for that, and for everyone else who has participated. In your package for your kit, what you will be getting is soy wax. This is 464 soy wax, and the coloring chips for your wax. This will be magenta, teal color, and sprinkles if you would like to use some sprinkles to make your wax melt, and these condiment cups if you so choose to use them for your wax melt. And we can't forget fragrance oil. This is strawberry cheesecake and some chocolate fragrance. And these fragrances for candles, so any wax product, and also for bath and body products. And the company for this is, I think 2 companies I used for this wax, for this scent. I blended this scent up, so. And that is the winner kit for the wax melt contest. And I will be shipping these out. Sorry, it will take about a month for me to ship this. This will be shipped in June, in the month of June. So be patient. And thank you everyone for subscribing and liking my videos. And please come over to my Facebook page. A lot of times I will run my contest first on Facebook page and then YouTube. I have Twitter, and I do have a website, Wix, W-I-X, Wix, and it's in the description box below. Please join me, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and congratulations to the winner. Bye for now.